discuss about integers. A whole number from 0 to positive or negative infinity is called integer. That is, it is a set of numbers which include 0, positive natural numbers and negative natural numbers. It is denoted by letter Z. Students, we always denote integer by letter Z. Z is equal to, it is the set of numbers. This is the set of numbers in which 0, 1, 2 and so on, and left hand side -1, 2 and so on. Now, integer on number line. Children, how we will depict or represent any integer on number line? So, on the number line, for positive integer, we move to the right from the 0, and for negative integer, we move to the left of the 0. 0 is neither positive nor negative. Here, positive integers always represented right hand side of the 0, and negative integer always represent left hand side of the 0. Now, facts about how to add and subtract integer on the number line. How? So we will see here. If we add a positive integer, we go to the right side, always right side. Suppose we want to add 6 plus 3 on number line. So first we will move 6 steps from 0 to the right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. So our answer will be 9. Now, -6. In the -6, we want to add 3. So first we will move left hand side to the 0, and first we will move 6 steps left hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This circle shows -6. Now, +3 means right hand side 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. This dot is the answer. Answer is -3. Now, if we add a negative integer, we go to the left. -6 will be added to -3. So first we will move 6 steps left hand side of the 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This circle shows 6, and again 3 steps left hand side. 1, 2, 3. It means this red dot is the answer. Answer is -9. Now, subtraction. If we subtract a positive integer, we go to the left side. First, we will move -4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 4. After that, again 3 steps to the left side from 4, 1, 2, 3. Here answer will be minus 7. Now if we subtract a negative integer, we go to the right side. Children, minus 8 minus 12. From minus 8, we want to subtract minus 12. What we will do? We will do first from 0, 8 step to the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 steps. After that, we want to subtract minus 12. We will go 12 steps from 8. Minus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, which will be end here for plus 4. So our answer is plus 4. Now, children, we will discuss about additive inverse. What is additive inverse? The negative of any number is added to additive inverse of negative number. Again, we can say the negative of any number is additive inverse of that number. The additive inverse of 5 is minus 5, and additive inverse of minus 5 is 5. Children, here minus 5 is the number and plus 5 is the additive inverse. If we will add minus 5 to plus 5, it will always be 0. And here number is 14 and additive inverse is minus 14. If we add 14 and minus 14, it will also come 0. So this shows that the number which we add to a number get 0 is the additive inverse of that number. Children, some examples is here. Suppose 56 is the number, then additive inverse of 56 will be minus 56. Number is 679. Additive inverse will be minus 679. Suppose number is minus 98. Then additive inverse will be minus 98. 98. And number is minus 100 or minus 100. The additive inverse will be plus 100. So these are some examples of additive inverse. Now children, properties of addition and subtraction of the integers. Children, here first property is closure under addition. For the closure property, the sum of two integers must be an integer, then it will be closed under addition. Means if we will add two integers, the sum of two integers will always be an integer. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 2 plus minus 3 is equal to minus 1. 2 plus 3 minus 2 plus 3 is equal to 1. Minus 2 plus minus 3 is equal to minus 5. As you can see that the addition of two integers will always be an integer. Hence, the integers are closed under addition. If we have two integers, P and Q, then P plus Q is an integer. Now, closure under subtraction. So then, if the difference between two integers is also an integer, then it is said to be closure under subtraction. For example, 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. 7 minus 2 is equal to 9. Minus 7 minus 2 is equal to minus 9. Minus 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. 5, 9, minus 9 and minus 5 all are integers. So, we can say the subtraction of the two integers will always be an integer. Hence, integers are closed under subtraction. For any two integers, P and Q, P minus Q is an integer. Now, children, commutative property. What is commutative property? If we change the order of the integer while adding, then also the result is same, then it is said the addition is commutative for integer. What is mean? It means if we are adding two numbers, suppose 4 plus 5, we can add it like this also, 5 plus 4. We can add any two numbers with any order. So, for the two integers P and Q, P plus Q is equal to Q plus P. For example, 20 plus minus 30 is minus 7 and minus 30 plus 23 is also minus 7. There is no difference in the answer after changing the order of the number. So, we can say if we add two numbers in any order, answer will be same. If we change the order of the integer while subtracting, the result is not same. So the subtraction is not commutative for integer. For any two integers P and Q, P minus Q is not equal to Q minus P, will not always equal. For example, 23 minus 30, it will be minus 53, but 30 minus 23, it will be minus 3. The answer is different after changing the order of the number. So we can say the subtraction is not commutative for integers. Now, associative problem. Children, what is associative problem? Please see. If we change the group of the integer while adding in case of more than two integers, the result is same, then we will call it addition is also for the integer. For any three integer p, q and r, p plus q plus r, here there is a one group q plus r, and p plus q plus r, here one group p plus q, then we are adding r. For example, if there are three integers 3 plus 3, 4 and 1, we change the grouping of the number, then 3 plus 4 plus 1 is equal to 3 plus 4 plus 1, 3 plus 4 in a one group, and right hand side 4 plus 1 is one group. 3 plus 4 is 7, 4 plus 1 is 5. Now 7 plus 1 and 3 plus 5. 7 plus 1 is 8, 3 plus 1, 3 plus 5 is also 8. The result is same, hence addition is associative for integer. Now, additive identity. What is additive identity? If we add 0 to an integer, we get the sum integer as answer. So 0 is additive identity for integer. For any integer p, p plus 0 is equal to 0 plus p is equal to p. Then here we can say either we are adding 0 to a number or number to a 0, answer will always same. For example, 2 plus 0 is equal to 2, minus 7 plus 0 is equal to minus 7. Answer will always same. Now, multiplication of integer. The multiplication of two integers is repeated addition. 3 into minus 2. Suppose we want to multiply 3 into minus 2. It means 3 times of 2, minus 2 is equal to minus 2 plus minus 2 plus minus 2, it will be minus 6. Or 3 into 2 is equal to 3 times of 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 6. Now, here pictorially we will see here 3 into minus 2 means minus 6 from 0. 2 step left side, again 2 step left side, again 2 step left side. It means 3 times minus 2 and minus 2 and minus 2. Answer will be 6. Similarly, 3 into 2, 3 into 2, it means 3 times 2. For this, because 2 is positive, so from 0 we will jump first 2 step, second time 2 step, and third time 2 step. It means answer will be plus 6. In negative, answer will be minus 6. Now let how to do multiplication of the integer without a number line. This is the representation of the multiplication of two number on number line. Now multiplication of a positive and a negative integer. Children, here to multiply a positive integer with a negative integer, we can multiply them as a whole number. Then put the negative sign before their product. So the product of a negative and a positive integer will always be negative integer. Now p minus q is equal to minus p into q is equal to p into q. Means p minus p. For example, 4 into minus 10 is equal to 4 minus 4 into 10 is equal to minus 4 into 10 means 40. Historically, minus from 0 10 step, negative left hand side 10 step, again 10 step 10 step means 40, and from 10 into 4 10 into 4 means 4 step, 4 step, again 4 step, again 4 step, it will be 16, again it will 20, again 24, 28, 32, 36 and 8. Now multiplication of the two negative integers. To multiply two negative integers, we can multiply them as a whole number and put the positive sign here product. Hence, if we multiply two negative integers, then the result will always be positive integer. For two positive integers, p and q, minus p into minus q is equal to minus p into minus q is equal to p into q. So minus 10 into minus 3 is equal to 30.